This is a second-hand Kubota U55 tool for hydraulic crawler excavator. The Kubota U55 tool for excavator is equipped with the original Kubota V607DI engine. The core components are all original. Many excavators are flexible in operation. Widely used in construction and farm. Power is 47.6 kilowatt. The bucket capacity is 0.19 cubic meters. The working weight of the whole machine is 5,300 kilogram. Boom side shift function, more flexible operation in a small space. Clean and amazing appearance. Good performance, very flexible. Used excavators are more cost-effective.